So traveling is the major concern for you.
Primarily has been. It helps me with my own journey. I think the city is a place for long-term achievements and stuff like that. But when you're traveling with छोटे-छोटे moments में you get so much of more inspiration and motivation. You know? Desire आगे बढ़ने.
अभी मैं घर पे जाऊंगा ना तो मुझे पहाड़ों की याद आएगी और मैं पहाड़ों पे होऊंगा तो मुझे घर की याद आएगी एंड इवन इफ यू आर गोइंग समवेयर वेयर यू ट्रूली वांट टू बी लेकिन बैक ऑफ द माइंड वो दूसरी जगह की याद आपके दिमाग में जरूर रहती है तो हाउ टू ओवरकम दैट थिंग
The best we can do is take their name in the beautiful place we are and kind of bless them.
Okay, so the ASP show is back after a long while. I know that बहुत टाइम बाद हम वीडियोस अपलोड कर रहे हैं बट आज मुझे मौका मिला है पॉडकास्ट शूट करेगा क्योंकि फ्लस्टन में आता है hundreds of types of guests. I think that is why someone I felt like he is worth it. इनकी कहानियाँ मैंने जो कल सुनी वो और एलैबोरेटली वो आज बताएंगे. So कैसे हो भाई?
ठीक हो यार, but indeed nice to have you. Nice for you to have me.
It was both ways.
Yeah. I basically do writing, all kinds of writing. There's content, there's copy, there's scripts, all along that. And there's a little bit of authoring as well.
Okay.
Yeah.
मेरे इस चक्कर में आपने काफी ट्रैवलिंग भी की है.
बिल्कुल. So the main reason मैंने freelancing वाली career choose की है is because I get to travel remotely and do my work. You know.
So traveling is the major concern for you.
Primarily has been for the past 6 years. और अभी से भी है ना. It's kind of a priority because it helps me with my own journey. You know, in a very simple way. जो obviously शहर में तो होता नहीं. हमेशा आसानी से तो नहीं होता. Time लगता है and you need more of. I think the city is a place for long-term achievements and stuff like that. But when you're traveling with छोटे-छोटे moments में you get so much of more inspiration and motivation. You know? Desire आगे बढ़ने.
And then by with traveling you have to do your work as well. तो मतलब ऐसी कौन सी जगह जब आपने काम किया हो आपको लगा कि भाई मतलब मैं खुद को इमेजिन भी नहीं कर पा रहा था कि ये यहाँ पे भी कर सकता हूँ.
ये तो है भाई. This is a good question. क्योंकि it takes my mind back, you know. But obviously most basic तो I think anybody who's traveling remotely और वो हिमाचल में ट्रैवल कर रहे हैं या फिर ट्रैवल कर रहे हैं सिक्किम में ट्रैवल कर रहे हैं दार्जिलिंग में right, you are bound to take a lot of road trips of the way. आप बस जर्नीज पे जाओगे, कार जर्नीज पे जाओगे, कभी ये चैचिंग करके ट्रक्स पे जाओगे, कभी लिफ्ट लेके बाइक पे जाओगे, you know. So of course every single vehicle I have worked with had switched on, including like a boat and a plane. But location-wise, अगर आप पूछ रहे हो, I think you're saying stuff like a farm, a waterfall,
something like that.
Like I can start from the beaches because that's been my most recent memory. There's a literally beach पे your laptop is fully charged. You have your beverage with you. You just put one umbrella, you put one mat, you put your laptop. And it becomes your workstation. क्योंकि आपको करना है कि आपको लिखना है, right? That's my way of making money. Like if a brand wants something or if I'm writing something for my own marketing material for my brand, I can do it from anywhere. I can do it from one place. So my most fond memory lately has been sitting on the beach, literally on the sand, the waves, on the chair, nice and simple.
Will we share some pictures as well if you are liking?
I would love to. I have a preference. Yes, definitely.
एंड देन भाई आप सर बोल रहे थे कि आपने यहाँ पे भी काम किए है कई ट्रक में जाते हुए लेते हुए तो वो कैसा एक्सपीरियंस होता है लाइक डजंट द truck driver expects you to talk with him as well because he's generally giving you because of the he might be lonely in shit right
Correct.
so भी एक रहता है कि okay I've taken lift from this particular person
I must give back.
I must give back something at least what he needs and do my work as well तो वो सब कैसे हो पाता है possible?
That's a very good question actually. So the giving back now, मैं उनके साथ में बैठ के तो give back नहीं कर पा रहा हूँ honestly. मैं हमेशा पीछे बैठता हूँ in the back in the open area. But giving back बोले तो when he's allowing me to sit, when I thank him, when I'm leaving, when I thank him, when I keep in touch with him, that's my proposition.
Yeah, so that is one of your way to
give back. But हाँ, the experience is more like मुझे वो pressure ही नहीं है ना बात करने का. Because most often when I've done the truck thing, I've done it probably 3 times. मैं I think 5 years ago 3 to 4 times. हाँ, one more. Put one more bro, one more.
Okay. So चलो Bollywood.
So वो जितनी सोचा के सामने था आई थिंक 4 साल पहले मुझे नीचे से ऊपर जाना था जिद्दी से शोजा, which it was like 8 in the morning because I slept the night at Jippy. And I also had to submit, तभी मैं किताब लिख रहा था एक.
You're writing a book.
I was writing a book. The book is out. I'll tell you about it later. And I had to submit something. और रास्ता थोड़ा, it was a little bit of a spoiled road. I don't remember क्या problem था. I think slow clear कर रहे थे या कुछ था. So I had to do my work. और luckily जब भी मुझे, और ये बड़ी सी ट्रक नहीं थी, ये वो पैकर्स एंड मोमोज वाली ट्रक. तो मैं पीछे बैठा 2-3 घंटे के लिए मैंने काम किया. And then I quickly reached up in Shoja. Obviously that was an experience itself. वो काम भी नहीं था, मैं किसी और की लाइफ स्टोरी के बारे में लिख रहा हूँ, पर मेरी अपनी कंडीशन इतनी कॉमेडी है. It's kind of fun to do that tuning in, you know, because you're writing about somebody from the Navy while you are sitting in the back of a small truck going up to a place that you're not very familiar with. But anyway, I went up, मैं ऊपर पहुँचा और फिर मैंने of course first devices charge किए. And I was in that flow state that day कि, you know, I think I can write more. तो मैं quickly hike के लिए निकला. I found this waterfall. Literally, it was like a natural table and chair. एक पत्थर था उसके ऊपर. That's a third plus height पे. That was my chair. That was my table.
Oh, yes, okay.
Oh, he's sitting. And I had like 4 amazing hours over there where I think I must have written the most out of, I think, the 270 pages of the book. वो 10-15 पेज मैंने अभी तक, you know, it's very close to me. My art, I've put a few posts of it online. I quote from that when someone asks me to quote. Right now, please don't check. But yeah, stuff like that. I come appreciation, so actually,
Too good for this.
और भाई अगर इतना ट्रैवल किया ही आपने आफ्टर डूइंग ऑल ऑफ दिस, ऐसी भी स्टोरीज आपके पास जरूर होंगी. बिकॉज मेरे भी इतने, मैंने आपसे कम ही ट्रैवल किया है, तो आपके पास ऐसे लिस्ट ऑफ स्टोरीज होंगे जिसमें शायद आपके पास डेट डिफाइंग स्टोरीज होंगी या फिर ऐसे स्टोरीज जो आप एडवेंचर वे में आपने एक्सपीरियंस किए होंगे, जो शायद आपको लगा हो कि भाई इससे बढ़िया तो कुछ हो ही नहीं सकता, और ये जो हाइड है वो आज तक कुछ हाइड ही नहीं सकता. वैसे
है भाई, ऐसे भी बहुत स्टोरीज एक्चुअली. Funnily enough, the one that inspired me to go for more of this was my first one, महाराष्ट्र में. वो इसका भी 2 घंटा राजमाची
Foot, okay.
तो हम गए थे राजमाची फोर्ट. We were all engineering in process to becoming in a process. And we went up 6 बजे तक. नीचे आने लगे रात के 9 बज गए. लाइट्स नहीं था. एक बंदा था जिसके पास मैच स्टिक्स थे उसके माउंट में, और एक ही तरह की थी. एंड इट स्टार्टेड रेनिंग एंड वी लॉस्ट आवर वे बेसिकली, क्योंकि उसको गोल गोल आना पड़ता है ना पहाड़ों के नीचे उस पे लोइंग. पर इस बार हम सोचे कि वील अवॉइड द गोल और सीधा आ जाते हैं. आते 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 वी रीच द खाई. वो खाई को निकलने में मुश्किल. तो भाई सबकी फटी पड़ी थी यार. वी वर ऑल रियली स्कैर्ड. समवन्स प्रेइंग टू, you know, Durga Ma, someone's praying to like Ganesh ji, someone's praying to somebody else. And I remember that we said कि अभी भाई एक matchstick है, let's light it, let's see where we are, let's see what we can do. Matchstick जलाया हमने साथ में, और सबका चेहरा उधर था, you know, in the middle, और किसी को देखना ही नहीं था बाहर.
Right, so.
It was really scary. Eventually the best, it was pretty funny, pretty sad, but the only thing we could do is start shouting for help. तो हमने चिल्लाया बहुत चिल्लाया, और दूर से एक बच्चा आया नीचे खाई के साइड से. देयर वाज अ गैप. वन किड्स कमिंग विद द लाइट. ही कम्स एंड आप लोग क्या कर रहे हो? वहाँ रास्ता तो उधर है. आज जाने के वक्त हमने देखा एनिमल्स के हड्डियाँ थे, फुल बोन्स एंड ऑल, यू नो. सो दैट वाज अ लिटिल फ्रीकी, बट दैट वाज काइंड ऑफ वन ऑफ द फर्स्ट. आफ्टर दैट इंसिडेंट्स हुए लास्ट ईयर, आई थिंक लास्ट ईयर नहीं, 4 years ago in Sikkim, in East Sikkim or West Sikkim. It's called Zongu. Yeah, I'm not sure. Maybe it's not Sikkim. Maybe it's South Sikkim. But in Sikkim, it's called Zongu Valley. Zongu Valley पे मेरे homestay वाले owner, उनका नाम था 13.
14.
Very funny because in the village they had names like numbers.
Yeah, I've heard something like that.
What's the word of stuff like this? Like उन लोग की बच्ची का नाम होता है Sun and Moon. मम्मी का नाम होता है 11 and 12 and stuff like that. Mom and dad are 11 and 12. So I think this guy took us, his name was 13, and he took us through a village called Lavin, but it's spelled as 11,
11, okay.
up to a cave trek. और बोला भाई एक cave 1 घंटा का walk है, चलते हैं. रेनी सीजन था तो हमको 4 घंटे लगे पहुंचने के लिए. And after a while it was like Jumanji. Possibly you can't have something more wild in this because mist था. Caves बोले तो I think 1-2 ad है. I think by Vodafone. There's some valley in Maharashtra है ना, जहाँ ऐसे आप लंबा पहाड़ है या आप बीच में चल रहे हो.
Sandan Valley.
Sandan Valley.
Ah.
So it was like Sandan Valley's great grandfather. You know,
Got you.
or it was going uphill. There were these deep caves coming out from different areas, and it was very strange because जो बंदा हमारे साथ था, they have a sadly they have a little bit of a drinking problem over there.
Okay.
So he was telling us these super scary stories about how these noises we can hear are related to this guy and that guy from the past and this.
Yeah.
So that was a little freaky, of course. But all in all, that was a very crazy adventure because we were not prepared. यार हम तो सुबह उठ के बोले 1 घंटे के लिए वॉक के लिए जा रहे हैं और एक खा लेके गया सर हमको for like the lost temple. So that was nice. I think another very great thing about traveling that people who travel should do what people do it is maintaining relationships. Because आप अभी 21 के हो, आप एक बंदे को मिलोगे, say from Kerala, and if you're still in touch with him when you're 31 years old, it's an amazing bond that you built, because you're met in a completely new location, you're not from the same place. So this is coming from personal experience. Once when we were in Gokarna, we made friends with these two boys. They were boys from Switzerland. One of them had half of an Indian background, right? Kerala background. And it's been now probably 12 years since that trip. And up till today, we're very well in touch. Whenever they visit Bombay or Goa, they meet us. We check in on each other online. They know like whose girlfriend is who in our group. We know their wives. And still when we talk, no sense of appreciation है अंदर की भाई अच्छा लगा आपसे बात करके बहुत टाइम हो गया आप इतनी ऑर्गेनिकली मगर and it kind of is primarily what many people travel for is to find home in a place that is unfamiliar to you because आप अंदर सोच कि भाई तो हर जगह घर यही right. And it's when you meet people and maintain these relations, like for example, if me and you are friends 10 years later, it would be such a nice bond to share. No? We are not a typical office bond, we're not a typical school bond, we're not a society bond. We are a bond when both of us left for like, our own adventures that we wanted and we kind of just, ionized together. So yeah, I think that's another very beautiful part of being on board.
During this travel time of me and living in Himachal, I've realized this fact that एक चीज होती है कि अभी मैं घर पे जाऊंगा ना तो मुझे पहाड़ों की याद आएगी मैं पहाड़ों पे होऊंगा मुझे घर की याद आएगी एंड इवन इफ यू आर गोइंग समवेयर वेयर यू ट्रूली वांट टू बी लेकिन बैक ऑफ द माइंड वो दूसरी जगह की याद आपके दिमाग में जरूर रहती है तो हाउ टू ओवरकम दैट थिंग मतलब कैसा होता है उसके कारण आप फिर ट्रूली प्रेजेंट या ट्रूली अलाइव फील नहीं करोगे उस मोमेंट को उस डे को एंजॉय नहीं कर पाओगे बिकॉज यू आर मिसिंग that place or that particular person.
You're talking about when you're traveling, you're missing somebody from home or somebody else. How do you balance them?
Yeah.
That's a good question, bro. I think the best we can do is take their name and the beautiful place we are and kind of bless them. Like for example, or maybe just call them and show them the place. For example, if I'm missing a friend from the city, I have a very close friend in Bombay, Dave नाम है मुझे का तो जब भी उसको मिस करता हूँ I straight call him and bro look where I am show me where you are and automatically we both feel like wow it's all good we were ever like really apart and stuff like that but more than balance I think you just kind of immediately take an action to fill that gap you're feeling
don't wait for it don't let it build it
yeah don't wait for it because when you wait you never know कि बाद में भाई free है बंदा or anything can happen honestly like you may just not be around to you may not have your devices it may not be internet or like electricity for days anything can happen so yeah don't wait and don't let it build up you build up do it when you want to do it right so
भाई तो मैं तो बहुत बड़ा बिलीवर हूँ इन मैनिफेस्टेशन व्हाटएवर आई हैव टुडे अ ईयर अगो आई कुड नॉट हैव इमेजिन्ड वेयरएवर आई एम बहुत ऐसा लग रहा है कि कोई पता नहीं बड़ा बिजनेसमैन बोल रहा है कैमरा के सामने बट व्हाट आई मेंट इज बाय द एक्सपीरियंसेस दैट आई हैव करेंटली हैविंग तो कैसे मतलब आपने कुछ सोचा था या फिर इट ऑलरेडी हैपेंड लाइक यू जस्ट टुक सम स्टेप्स या फिर यू जस्ट हैड इट सेड इट टू यू बिफोर
see I honestly think when it comes to manifestation right जब भी आप बोलते रहते हो और आप एक्शन लेते हो फॉर एग्जाम्पल यू कीप सेइंग कि मुझे आई वांट टू प्ले फुटबॉल फॉर माय स्टेट I want to play football and you also go and you practice with your friends and when you practice it's in your head and you keep repeating it there is no way it cannot happen So for me, I have since I started traveling in 2013. That time it was low scale traveling. एक साल में 2-3 बार for like a few weeks each time. Once 1-2 years of that happened, I kept telling myself कि भाई अभी graduation होने वाला है, job लगने वाली है, life is gonna start. I have to make sure that I get to continue traveling, and I am going to start aligning myself in that direction. So वो naturally autopilot में मन में बोलते जा रहा हूँ, मेरे actions भी वो direction में जा रहे हैं, and that's how it works out. So manifestation is not like a dreamy or a metaphysical thing. It's a very logical, real formula also, you can say, this thing. And as you said, even you've always wanted to travel. You were telling me a while ago. आपने internships किया है, आपने co-hosting किया है, hosting किया है, volunteering किया है, jobs भी किया है, freelancing भी किया है. And when you were doing all of that, you were not doing this lifestyle, बिल्कुल, right? But you were hoping कि मेरा भी time आएगा, मैं भी जाऊँगा हिमाचल, मैं भी रहूँगा. And now you can see what's happening.
बिल्कुल भाई.
यो आपने बोला, आपने manifest किया, but आपने बस ऐसा नहीं था कि आप बस बोल रहे हो. You were taking action in the process and unaffected by the results. नहीं हुआ तो नहीं हुआ, हुआ तो good. मुझे जाते आप तो keep going. मुझे जाते रहे.
To be honest, वो एक ऐसा conscious movement नहीं था, subconscious movement था कि what if वाला, मतलब let's just do it for the sake of it because I somewhere down the line I want to do that.
Yeah.
But when I was doing it, पता नहीं था कि थोड़े certain steps लिए, पता नहीं था कि exactly 1 month बाद I would be here.
Yes.
Sometimes life surprises
Surprises you in various different ways because the first 7 days I arrived over here, I could not believe that all of this was just a dream, bro. Like after the 8th day, it hit me ki I went to the Chachogi village, and it hit me ki okay, bhai, sunset हो रहा है, sloping mountains हो गया, I'm living this moment.
Wow.
ये हो रहा है मेरे साथ.
Wow.
मैं जी रहा हूँ.
रोज भाई मैं जा रहा हूँ वॉशरूम, कमर पर बैठ रहा हूँ, सामने दिख रहा है स्लोपिंग माउंटेन्स.
तो वो फीलिंग भाई तब रियलाइजेशन हुआ. तो
this one everything was
Wow. That was your moment. You must be having so many of these moments on a daily basis.
डेली बेसिस.
लेकिन एक चीज नोटिस की कि once you live in a valley for a very long time, you would appreciate us less because वो आपका रोज का हो जाएगा. The human tendency, human brain works like that.
तो लाइक आई टोल्ड यू कि अभी उस दिन मैं रोनी विलेज गया था, डोबी के जो आगे है.
तो उस साइड से इस वैली का अलग पर्सपेक्टिव दिखा, अलग व्यू दिखा. I went to चंदखेनी पास in the month of May, वहां से ये वैली दिखी. तो तब जब आप ऐसे भी देखते हो ना, तो आपको रियलाइज होता है कि आपकी वैली कितनी बड़ी है, और फिर आपको सैचुरेशन पॉइंट भी हिट नहीं होता जल्दी. बट यू रोम ऑल अराउंड वेयर यू आर.
Yeah.
तो वो एक चीज है.
That's how it is. I agree, bro. Slow traveling. That's what you're talking about. Nice and slow. No hurry. Take your time. Yeah.
And there's more to explore. We feel like भाई हिमाचल में आ गए हम लोग, मनाली देख लिया, कसौल देख लिया, चलो तीर्थन वैली भी चलेगा आजकल लोग. लेकिन that's not entirety of हिमाचल.
100%.
भाई मैं यहाँ पे 7 months से रह रहा हूँ, मैंने यहाँ पे सिर्फ 30% शायद एक्सप्लोर किया होगा टोटल प्लेसेस. लाइक देयर आर सम वैलीज, देयर आर सम हिडन प्लेसेस दैट आई वेंट टू व्हिच आर नॉट नोन बाय ऑल द लोकल्स. villages like basically they ask them like can I who you are, why you are. So there are so many valleys yet to be explored.
Totally agree, bro.
Yeah.
It's the same for me. I've been coming since 10 years, and whenever I come, I hear of so many new places. It's never ending. No? और भी सबके dialects अलग होते हैं, सबके अपने attires अलग होते हैं, personalities अलग होते हैं, ceremonies अलग होते हैं, locations अलग होते हैं. At the end of the day, it's a village. But the ecosystem they create and they maintain since generations is hats off.
बिल्कुल वही hats. I thought what's the next things that you've manifested to come true, और आपको लग रहा है कि वो अलाइन हो रहा है धीरे धीरे.
So ideally you should not say it out so loud.
अच्छा.
But मैं आपको rough में बोल सकता हूँ, maybe along the. But the idea is basically to start creating more. You can say art or you can say content. I would say art. That's the one I would use. Start creating more art and putting it out there. For many reasons. To see how people perceive my perception or my outlook. To see how I feel by putting out work over there. And when I say art, मैं बोल रहा हूँ कि भाई मुझे सिर्फ एक स्क्रिप्ट नहीं लिखनी है, एक गाना नहीं बनाना है. Like infusing everything together. Little bit of visual, little bit of textual, little bit of auditory, a collective, a bunch of art forms kind of expressing what you want to express in a way. And there are basically storytelling is what I'm talking about.
So can we expect some more books coming in future as well?
For sure, 100%. Right now, there is one thing that I am working on, but that's going to take a very long time.
Okay.
But definitely, you can expect more than just books. It technically.
हाँ डेफिनेटली भाई तो ऑलमोस्ट अब पॉडकास्ट के एंड में ही है तो अब इस थ्री सेगमेंट वाले क्वेश्चंस एंड करते हैं ये फर्स्ट सेगमेंट में तो आपको पूछूंगा मैं कि अगर आपका कोई करियर जो अपने पास चूज किया है वो करना चाहता है यूट्यूब पे हर जगह अवेलेबल है बट आई थिंक मैंने देखा है कि वो आपको ना ऊपर बताएंगे बट करण भाई वो यार इज गोइंग टू टेल इन डेप्थ कि आप हैं कोई चाहिए कि आपके पास कोई करे या चाहते ही बने तो आप उसको क्या गाइड दोगे या कब क्या बोलेंगे कि दिस इज हाउ इट्स डन एंड हाउ डू वी पेशेंट ऑन प्लेसेस और टाइम्स वेयर यू हैव टू and stick to it and then make it further.
The same when someone wants to choose a career, what is the best way to do it? Oh, see, the best way always is like the caveman used to do it. Try and test their experience and then decide. You know, because even I did my science in 11th and 12th, my engineering after that. No regrets, I learned a lot, but I never really thought back then if I want to do it. And the minute my क्या बोलते हैं, you can say my consciousness expanded, I became more aware, I started knowing what I want to do. मुझे लिखना है, मुझे travel करना है, मुझे healthy बनना है, मुझे adventure sports करने हैं. You know, I want to do stuff like that. So, as opposed to checking out stuff online about how to do something or what do I even do, just go in the deep and get your hands dirty. And most often people think कि पर मैं जाके करूँ क्या, you know, और मुझे तो आता नहीं है and stuff like that. The questions are going to keep coming, man. You have to kind of put your leg in there and you have to start doing things, you know. So it's probably not the best advice that elders would give, but what I would always recommend the person is to go and try it out. देखो अपने आप के लिए पसंद है कि नहीं है.
खुद को गड्ढे में डाल के गंदा करो और गंदे हो रहे लेकिन मतलब पता चलेगा कि फिर उस गड्ढे में वापस जाना नहीं गंदा
Correct.
यहाँ पे जाके गंदे हो गए
Correct. That's बिल्कुल
रहना जरूरी है
बिल्कुल bro. Experiences is what makes your life rich, right? I think so many people said that. I don't know who they were, but a lot of famous men have mentioned this. If I'm not wrong, Bob Marley is one of them. Where he said that what's in your bank doesn't make you rich, but it's what's the experiences you live that define the richness that you claim you like. You know? So yeah, experiences, man. Cheers to that.
Definitely.
Yeah.
So भाई जो दो सवाल अभी भी बच रहे हैं पहली बात तो बताओ कि AST का हमारा जो इनिशिएटिव आपको कैसा लगा है लाइक एंड मैंने जो माहौल क्रिएट किया हाउ वाज आई एज अ होस्ट अभी प्लस्तन का मत बताना सिर्फ ASP का बता रहा
बिल्कुल. No, dude. Honestly, very inspiring. I see a little bit of myself in you from back in the day. And जो आप लोग कर रहे हो as a brand, as an idea for the podcast, ASP, the ASP show, right? What I think is very important is that you are sharing stories of other people you meet. It can be life stories, travel stories, anything that comes out of their mouth. And these are not the people you meet on a daily basis, you know. These are not the people that a common man in the city would meet on a daily basis. So you're basically creating that channel कि ये सब जो स्टोरीज लोग जी रहे हैं और लोग बना रहे हैं, लोग के एक्सपीरियंसेस है, you're connecting this, like you're transferring this information to the people on the other side of your screen, which is very important, bro. Because this is probably, I'm not saying important to start traveling कि लोग इधर आए और उधर जाए. It's like a very good reminder for people who don't have the time to do what you and me are doing and what other people are doing, you know. And sometimes a reminder can go a very long way. Very, very long way, and I'm sure it already is, which is why I connected, which is why you're doing what you're doing, so I'm sure you got so many more people. But yeah, that's my biggest takeaway, bro. Like respect, for sure.
Thank you, and salute. Touchwood, and as well as why we would like to promote your book as well on our podcast.
Yeah.
So you wrote a book on the story of a Navy merchant,
Late lieutenant from the Indian Navy.
अच्छा, not a merchant Navy.
No, Indian Navy. तब नहीं लिखा था, बस एक memoir लिखा था. And that basically converted to me meeting an elder person from the family. And it converted to a full-fledged 275-page book. It's basically a biography of a late lieutenant called Late Lieutenant Prashant Singh from the Indian Navy, who lost his life to blood cancer at the age of 25. But story में basically what is fun to read is you learn a lot about, you know, life in the Indian Navy when you just joined. More than that, you learn about the training part. वो training में तो भाई हालत खराब कर लेते हैं because you gotta really be fit to protect your country, right? That's the whole idea. So the kind of schedule, the kind of diet, the kind of internal drama and stuff that's going on within the institute, then how you're maintaining your bond with your family because you can't keep a phone, how you're maintaining your bond with your partner and your girlfriend and whoever it is, how you come out of the academy and then you get 1 star, you become a sub-lieutenant, you become a lieutenant, parents start giving you responsibility, and then suddenly when everything is fine and you're going to